Have you ever wondered how you can use AI to create your very own website? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll be understanding how we can create our very own website just using AI for free. So without further ado, I'm Pratlin from Web Creators, and let's get started. To create your very own website, first of all, you're going to search for in AI website builder. Then click on this option saying Innove.ai. Then click on get started. Then tell them about the name of your website, of your business. So I'm going to write the diners and click on next. Then tell them what type of business you're creating. I'm going to write I am creating a restaurant website and click on next. Then describe your business. I've already created a prompt, so I'm going to paste it and click on next. Then it is asking where your business is located, so you can tell them about your location, but I'm just going to write XYZ and click on get started. Then it is generating your website. This may take a few minutes, but it's worth it. Here you can see the whole website has been created. So if you want to do any editing, you can do from this option. Click on drag elements. To add another one, you can add section and click on video or whatever you want. But for now, I think I like video, so I'm going to click on it. Okay. So anyways, I don't want it, so I'm just going to let it be. You can click to edit this image. But for now I think it's perfect, so I'll just let it be. I'm going to tell you how to publish this website in another video, but for now I think it's good, so I'm going to click on preview and it will take you to this page. As you can see, all the things have been created like you want them. abc@gmail.com and message nice work and click on submit. Then you can do anything you want here, and that's it for today. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell.